Aim for the eyes, and just behind them, that's where the brain is. If you stab here, the eyes will open. Then tilt it slightly upward. Once the tool goes in this far, the color of the fish starts to fade. This is Manager Nishida, and I'm Kiyosuke from Tsuruzen. So what are we doing today? When you think of summer, you think of rock phase. You mean rockfish, right? Not a festival, a fish. And when it comes to rockfish, red-spotted grouper. Yes, you love them, don't you? I do, but I only fish for them when I go camping. They taste amazing, and they've got that high-end flavor. A lot of people fish for red-spotted grouper, and we get tons of questions about how to perform Oni-Jime. So, are we going fishing now? Nope, we've got work to do. That's why we went out and got this one, a red-spotted grouper. Let's have Manager Nishida show us how to perform Oni-Jime on it. Opening it up now. 500 grams. Absolutely beautiful. So today's for all you rockfish lovers out there. Here's a cooler box. It's got ice inside. But we don't take the ice out of the bag, we just pour in seawater. You've got seawater right in front of you when you're out fishing, right? This is the essence of Oni-Jime. It's not just a way to preserve top-tier freshness, it's something any angler can do. If you're not familiar with the full Oni-Jime process, check out our other videos for a detailed guide. Let's continue. We've added the seawater. So now we've got chilled seawater and the ice is still in the bag. That means it's not diluted at all. It's just 100% cold seawater. Feel it, it's cold, right? Freezing. This is the first thing you need to prepare, and this is why Oni-Jime works. If you're thinking, I'm definitely catching something today, then prep this before you cast your line. If you're unsure you'll catch anything, you can set it up after you get a hit, but ideally, prep it in advance. Once you do, just close the lid and fish, it'll chill down while you wait. Now let's go through the steps. Will I catch something today? Oh, I got one. It's huge. Il en dit. How do I kill it properly? Help me. This is taking too long. Okay, let's perform Oni-Jime on this red-spotted grouper. Always wear gloves. Seriously. We're using this eel pick to demonstrate it's easier to see. But you should use a proper tool from your local tackle shop. Also, we've got our Shinkei-Jime wire. Now we're ready. Let's begin. Brain spike. We caught a red-spotted grouper. This is about the size most of you often catch, right? Alright, time for the brain spike. We've already explained where the brain is, but let's go over it quickly again. Since it's dangerous, use gloves and a towel. Cover the gill area and grip the fish. If you hold the gill firmly and press down on the dorsal fin, you won't have to worry about stabbing yourself. Aim slightly above and between the eyes, that's where the brain is. If you get it right, the eyes and mouth will open, and the tail will straighten. If that happens, it means you nailed it. Don't stop right away, hold it still until the body stops moving. Okay, here we go. I'll stab it right here. Then lift slightly upward. By lowering your hand, the tip of the tool goes up like a lever. Now we use the Shinkei-Jime wire. Hold the jaw and insert it into the hole we made earlier. Holding the jaw gives you more control. Push the wire in slowly from here. If you use too much force, it won't work well. Relax your hand and guide it where it naturally wants to go. The body might curl up a bit, so wait until it straightens, then advance slowly. Once you reach the tip of the tail, the color will start to fade. See? It's already getting paler. If the Oni-Jime is done properly, the color will slowly return afterward. If the color is back when you get home, that's proof it worked. Once the wire is all the way in, move it around several times. You can shift it in different directions, but only the tip of the wire actually does the job. So, make sure to touch different nerve points with the tip and move it gently. Each area affects a different part of the fish. Keep going until the twitching completely stops. You don't need a knife for this part. A pick works too. You just need to damage the blood vessel under the spine. Stab it and break it, blood will come out. Once you cut the gills, immediately place the fish into chilled seawater. That's it? Yep, that's it. Simple, right? It's easy, isn't it? Oni-Jime is simple and it's the best method out there. Now, some people like to swish the fish around to bleed it more thoroughly. But I don't do that. You know why? Because I want the fish. You're not fishmongers, right? You're not doing this for commercial use. If you caught one, you've got a chance to catch another. That's why this method is perfect for anglers. You can preserve the best freshness without missing the next bite. It's ideal for anyone who loves fishing. So just close the cooler lid and keep fishing. Go catch another one. What about when it's time to go home? Cooler box, right? Let me explain. As you can see, when a fish is chilled using seawater only, the color beautifully returns. Yep, it really does. Looks pristine. That's proof Oni-Jime worked. This won't happen if you use anything other than seawater. While you're fishing, you can leave it like this. You can even bring it home as is, but it's a bit heavy, right? So, let's remove the ice. Cooler boxes have drains, right? Just let the water out from there. Now place the fish into a bag. If you don't have one, that's fine too. Cover it with a towel and toss the remaining bagged ice on top. Close the lid and you're good to go. Simple, right? But is that little ice really enough? Ice is totally fine. But it's not much. That's all you need. Like we explained before, both the cooler and the fish are already cold. All you have to do is keep it cold. Oni-Jime is so easy. You don't need a ton of ice, you can keep fishing, and you get to eat incredibly tasty fish. It's nothing but benefits. I really want you to try it. Once you do, you'll experience firsthand just how important seawater is. I always say this, there are all kinds of methods for killing and preserving fish, but Oni-Jime comes before all of them. If you do it, everything goes right. If you don't, everything falls apart. This time we focused on the red-spotted grouper, but we'll be showing you how to handle many other species too. So be sure to subscribe. That's it for today's Midsummer Oni-Jime on a red-spotted grouper. See you next time at the next phase.
One strike and it's over, no room for doubt or talk. See it in my moves, got them all hypnotized. When you share this Oni-Jime, watch the light in their eye.